All right, guys, I'm here to show you a video about what we're going to be doing this week 4. So if you look on the screen, here's your folder for week 4. And I'm just going to pick, I think, Wednesday's day. So you have an assignment here. We're still talking about personal narratives. Remember, personal narrative is anything that happened to you. That's why it has the word personal in there. So these are true things that happened to somebody. So today, this week, we're going to focus on a story called Hello, My Name Is. Okay? And we're going to use a new program to look at the story. So I'm going to show you here exactly how to get into the program. So it says read the story here, and it has a link, and it says starting on page 20, because this is more of like a textbook kind. So you hit the link, and you might get this. So you can see if you get this screen, it says log in with Clever. That's the one you need to pick. Now, this means you have to be logged into Clever first, okay? And you can see it takes a minute for the robot. So I'm going to show you another way in a minute once this robot comes on. This is what it's going to look like. So you're going to say, where's the story, Ms. Vallejo? Remember I said starting on page 20. So then you have to open the book, and you can flip to page 20, or I think you can also look at this, no, you can't use the bar, to go to page 20. So you're just flipping. The page numbers are on the bottom. See, this is 21. So this is a story. This is what it will look like. You have your title, Hello, My Name Is. And if you look at the pages, you can tell that this narrative uses a lot of pictures. These are also called graphics. Picture. See, as I flip through, she has photographs. She had graphs over here. I'm not really sure what that is. Oh, I think that's a copy of her birth certificate, a photo of her, some symbols. So this is called, and it says right here, this is called a narrative, a graphic essay. So it's a type of personal narrative, but she also uses pictures or graphics to help tell her story. Okay, so this is the new program we're going to use, and it's kind of nice because you can't see it. Let me move my box down. Up here, this button will actually read it to you. So if you hit it.
Hello, My Name Is by Jennifer Liu. The author of Hello, My Name Is calls her narrative a graphic essay. That's because she carefully selected images to add meaning to the words of the text. As you read Hello, My Name Is, think about how the images provide details and descriptions beyond what is stated in the written words alone.
All right, so I want you to go ahead and read the story or listen to the story. And like she said, think about the pictures, the graphics she used, and how that helps you with your mental images. Remember, we talked about images last week, how mental you should, while you're reading, you should be picturing in your head what you are reading, kind of like a little movie or a little TV show as you are reading the story. Okay, so hopefully you can log in. If not, I'm going to show you another way. You can log into your Clever account. I'm going to hold on, let me move myself down again. I'm going to sign out so you can see how to sign in. So you go here, you log in with your Google, pick your email, and then you're in, right? And this program is right here on your Clever page. I'm going to show you. So you go down, and it's this orange one that says Amplify. The orange one that says Amplify. You click on that. And it takes a minute. And then you're going to remember the robot that we saw earlier to open the story. So click on that robot again. and you're in 5th grade, so go to 5th grade, and then you would go to library, and then it's that same thing, personal narratives, that's the one we're on. And then again, you would open it and you would go to right here, hello, my name. Oh, it looks like you can click on it. You can click on it. Oh no, I thought it would take you there, but it does not. Sorry. You still have to flip through. You can flip through. And when you get to page 20, here it is. So the story continues. It is not just one page. It's here, then here, here, and here. That's the end. So you're reading from 20 to 27 down here, okay? And if you want to read other books, you can always go in here and you can change it. And you say, well, you know what? I want to read something easier. This is for your reading log, for homework. You can always go into another grade and maybe click, look at what they have going on. Oh, want to read more about the body? Sure. Go in there, pick a story, and you can always include this on your reading log, your homework, okay? And now you know how to use it. You just flip through, it can also read it to you.
System. Hello, my name is Dr. Wellbody. Some of you may remember me.